Hello, Keller Williams agents. Today we're going to talk about a question that your MCAs and a lot of us are getting, and that is that if you have a listing and it goes under contract and then you're attempting to create a green sheet for that listing, sometimes it comes up that the listing is expired in KWLS, so you are not able to input a green sheet. So first of all, I just want to make sure everybody knows that if you're submitting everything to the office, to the Market Center for review, and then creating a green sheet at that same time, there will never be an issue with this. So as soon as you change the listing in MLS to status from active to under contract, and then you submit the green sheet within maybe 24 to 48 hours from then, you are never going to run into this problem. However, if you have ever received this message, it's a simple, just a couple changes that you need to do, and it's really, really easy. It's just two things that you'll have to do. So number one is we're going to log into your MyKW. Once we log into that, if we hover over technology at the very top of the page, we're going to click on the third option down, which is KWLS. And then that's going to open a screen that looks like this. So first of all, just to clarify, expiration date in MLS and expiration date in KWLS are very different. The way the system works is once a listing that is your listing in MLS, once you change that status to under contract, the KWLS expiration date will stop on that particular date. So up until that point, when the listing is active, the listing date, the expiration date in KWLS is a rolling expiration date. So it's just going to continue to move to the next day, and that's what's going to allow your listing to syndicate to all those third-party sites such as Realtor.com, Trulia, Zillow, and all of the other ones. Now, once you change that status in MLS to under contract, the expiration date in KWLS stops, and you have 14 days until that's going to show up as completely expired in KWLS. And at that point, if you were then trying to create a green sheet at that point, that's why you would get that notification. So once we've gone into your MyKW, Technology, KWLS, that's going to open up your dashboard here with all of your Keller Williams listing system listings. So you have over here listings at a glance. So you can look at all of them, and then you're going to, from this particular list, you're going to choose whichever one you need to create the green sheet on. So let's just say it was the first one here. So we click on that MLS ID, and then we'll see right here the expiration date was January 1st of this one. So if we scroll all the way down here, that's why if we go to green sheet, we're going to get this notification that says the listing has expired. A green sheet is not available for an expired listing. So what we have to do is choose edit, and then we just have to make that expiration date, really it can be tomorrow. And then we're going to scroll down, choose save. And then if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, we'll be able to click on green sheet, and then that takes us right into the green sheet screen. So again, I can't stress enough that if you are submitting your green sheet when your listing is going under contract in MLS, this will never, ever, ever be an issue. And really, that's what we need for compliance. I just wanted you to know about this because this is a question that we're getting a lot. So if for some reason you forget or it slips your mind, this is the workaround for it. So technology, KWLS, click on the listing you need to update, choose edit, switch the expiration date to tomorrow, save, and then you should be able to go into that green sheet. If you have any questions or you need help with this, feel free to let me know. Thanks so much for paying some attention and listening today. Make it an awesome day. Thanks so much.